friends, welcome to Chemistry Chance. In this video we are learning eigen function for angular momentum and commutation relation. So start with an eigen function for angular momentum. So as we know that the possible value of a physical property that can observe angular momentum of a system for a eigen value that is lambda. So the eigen equation will be A psi is equals to lambda psi. In this, A is operator and psi is eigen function and lambda is eigen value. So this is our equation number 1. Now angular momentum for z coordinates, it can be written as Lz psi is equals to lambda psi. And this equation can also be written as d psi by d phi is equals to exponential 2 pi iota lambda by h. So the value of psi is equals to exponential 2 pi I lambda by h phi, and from the mathematics exponential iota theta is equals to cos theta plus iota sin theta. So apply this rule there. So psi is equals to cos, this is theta, 2 pi lambda by h. So 2 pi lambda by h and phi plus iota sine, and theta is 2 pi lambda by h phi. So this is our equation number 2. Now we are taking psi 1 and psi 2, and in this psi is a single valued function. So the value of psi phi is equals to phi plus 2 pi, and this is our equation number 3. And in this the value of y is a single value, so the equation can be, so there is exponential 2 pi iota lambda by h phi, and there phi is phi plus 2 pi, so exponential 2 pi I lambda divided by h, and there is phi plus 2 pi. Now k is equals to 2 pi lambda by h. So put the value of k there and there. So exponential, there is iota, and this is 2 pi lambda by h is k and phi, and there is exponential iota k phi plus 2 pi. And this is going here. So exponential iota k phi divided by exponential iota k phi plus 2 pi, and it is equal to 1. Now there is base same, so there is power adding, but in this exponent in dividing form this is minus, so it will be equal to exponential, there is iota k phi, and this is going to above, so minus iota k phi and minus iota k 2 pi. So this is cancel out, and it is equal to 1. So it is equal to exponential minus 2 pi I k is equals to 1. So from there, the value of k is equals to 2 pi lambda by h. So cos theta plus iota sin theta. So from this equation, this is equals to cos 2 pi k phi is equals to plus iota sin 2 pi k phi is equals to 1. And in this, the value of phi is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 3. And from the value of k, it is concluded that the value of lambda is equals to 0 and integral multiple of 2 pi by h according to Bohr model. Now we study commutation relation. So for Lx, Ly, so this is equals to Lx into Ly minus Ly into Lx. So in our previous video, we are studying the value of Lx and Ly. So now put here. So the value of Lx is minus iota h cut by d by dz minus z d by dy, and into the value of Ly is equals to minus iota h cut z d by dx minus x d by dz. And minus the value of Ly is minus iota h cut z d by dx minus x d by dz into Lx. The value of Lx is equals to minus iota h cut by d by dz minus z d by dy. And when we solve this equation, so the answer will be iota square h cut square y d by dx minus x d by dy. Now iota square h cut square. Now taking first this term and second this term, so there is a minus common, so x d by dy and minus y d by dx, and iota square is equals to minus 1. So this minus 1 and this minus, so this will be cancelled out. So there is h cut square x d by dy minus y d by dx. Now h cut square is equals to minus iota h cut plus iota h cut. Now put here, so taking iota h cut and minus iota h cut into x d by dy minus y d by dx, and this is the value for Lz. So it is equals to iota h cut Lz. So Lx Ly is equals to iota h cut Lz. Similarly, for both the direction, we can write Ly Lz is equals to iota h cut, and there is yz, so there is Lx, because there is xy, so there is Lz. So for Lz and Lx, so the value is iota h cut Ly. If L square is equals to Lx plus Ly square plus Lz square, so from there L is equals to Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square raised to the power half, and there is L square into में Lx is equals to L square into Ly is equals to L square into Lz. When these are equals to 0, so these are known as commute operator. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.